Hands have the capability to carry such microorganisms that could harm people's health. Hand washing and using sanitizers can help to prevent contamination. Germs are everywhere. They can get into our hands and items we touch during daily activities and make us sick. Sanitizing our hands is one of the most important steps we can take to avoid getting sick and spreading germs to those around us. Hand sanitizers have the capability to eliminate viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Hand sanitizers kills many types of viruses by dissolving their fat membranes. That is an effective way of killing microorganisms, bacteria, by disrupting their cell membrane, and it will also reduce their growth. Hand sanitizers are very important to us, especially during this pandemic. It is important because hand sanitizers are useful against COVID-19. It kills the virus. Hand sanitizers are important to keep us all exposed to fewer germs and may therefore decrease our chance of illness. Whether we are on the playground, using someone else's computer, or visiting a friend in the hospital, we need to take time to rub some of sanitizers on our hands. Our group managed to think of a product that can be a great way to help household by making a DIY hand sanitizer that can be entertainment to kids and also an easy way to collect materials for recycling. By this machine sanitizing, it can be more fun, especially to kids nowadays, to convince them to sanitize their hands. There are several processes that we must complete in order to make this product. We make the hand sanitizer body out of recycled cardboard or carton. We use basic tools to make a hand sanitizer based out of recycled cardboard, making it more fun and experimenting a little with basic technology we can make. Step 1. Provide 2 pieces of cardboard with a size of 13 cm by 21 cm. Step 2. Using a pencil and ruler, draw a line in 4 sides of cardboard. Step 3. Using a cutter, cut the edge of the cardboard. Step 4. Take 2 cardboards and cut them to make a column. Step 5. Using a glue gun, paste it the 3 cardboard. Step 6. Cut the tooth syringe. Step 7. Put the string inside the syringe and put also the lightweight ball. Step 8. Cut the plastic hose, then put the syringe inside. Step 9. Make a base for the syringe, then put the front hose inside the cardboard. Step 10. Take a hand sanitizer and slip the front hose into its cover. Step 11. Make a base for hand sanitizer. Step 12. Make a barrier to cover the entire cardboard. Our DIY project of hand sanitizer can help to not cost a lot and can be done by recycled materials. It can help to avoid contact with things and prevent spreading viruses.